Hello lovelies, this is the feathered chain stitch and it's perfect for petals and plants. We're going to bring our needle up through our fabric and we're going to start off with the chain stitch. So go back down through the fabric in exactly the same hole that you came up through. Leave a loop, we need the loop. Bring our needle up through the fabric and pull it all the way through. This next part is going to form the stem, so we're going down into the fabric, stitch length away, bring it all the way through. Now where the tip of your next petal is going to be is the base of that chain stitch. So bring your needle up through the fabric and then go back down through the fabric in the same hole, but leave a loop. You need to keep that loop. At the base of that stem, bring your needle up through the fabric, through the loop. Pull it gently. There's another chain stitch. We're going to do the stalk again. So we're going straight down. You could do it in any direction if you wanted. We'll go straight through. Now we're going to do another chain stitch. So this time on the other side, bring the needle up through the fabric and then back down through the fabric, but not all the way because we need to keep the loop. And then come up at the base of that stalk and through the loop. And there you have it, your feathered chain stitch. Like I said before, it would work great for small offshoots, for plants, for the stems of flowers. It's just a really cute way of using the chain stitch. To finish it off, you would just go through at the base of the stalk and finish it off by going through the stitches at the back. The feathered chain stitch. So sweet. Happy stitching. If you don't already follow me, please do. Please like, please share. It gets all of these seen by many more people. Happy stitching, lovelies.